You want to say hi to the Big Sister channel?
The big sister channel with you drinking milk.
Drinking milk with June?
Yeah.
Good job. I'm going to turn down the volume.
How much is so? Go sister.
Have you ever fed June before?
Hmm?
This is first time?
My cup of water.
Yeah. Drinking Oma's breast milk, huh?
Tessel?
Go ahead and hold it up just a little bit more like that. There we go.
Here.
Good job, Iris. Good job, June. Chamisa?
Hmm?
You want to see? Pa-da-da-da-da. Pa-da-da-da-da. What are you doing, Iris? Are you feeding June? Go ahead and hold it up just a little bit more like that. Yeah. Maybe a little bit down. There we go. We want it to be parallel with her mouth. Good job. You think she likes it?
Hmm?
Chamisa?
How much is so, June?
Mashisa. A little bit more up so we can make sure the milk doesn't create any bubbles. Good job, Iris. You're feeding her very well. I think I'll ask you to feed her every day now.
Look at that bubble.
Then after we feed her, we'll try to burp her.
How much is so, June?
I mean, does it taste good?
I think she's done.
Let me see. No, she's still drinking.
People walk. Amma Jimmy gimbap my sister.
You
Yeah.
want to sing to her? Okay, go ahead and sing to her.
Kakak kolong Korea. Kolong berada toto. Mana? T? Nada T.
Sorry.
Oh. Kolong berada.
Lift it up just a little bit. There we go. Make sure we get still some milk in there. Lift it up just a little bit. Good job. Is she done? Try a little bit more.
Mokopa.
Yeah.
Mokopa. Coochie.
Good job.
Coochie.
I think she might be Pebula.
Pepper
Let me
water.
see. Let me see. Are you Pebula, June? Oh, right there. That's perfect.
Hiccups. Hiccups.
Okay, I'll try to burp her now. So to burp her, I'm going to put the camera right there. And let me put it up a little bit. And let me see. Let's see if I can burp her. So let me take the bottle. And then I'm going to hold her like this. I'm going to grab her by the neck. And then I'll hold her like this.
And I gave she's milk.
And then I can do like that. Thank you. Thank you, Iris.
There's his tooth.
So I'm going to put the camera over here. Like that. Oops. Like that. Or can you hold the camera for me? And I'll put this in the refrigerator. And then just point. Yeah, that's perfect, Iris. Good job. And we'll do like this. You want to see? Like that? That's what you're seeing with the camera. I'll do like this. I'll just do like this. Make sure she can breathe. Can you breathe? Yep, she can breathe. You want to hold her? Okay, let me burp her first. Because if
do it like this.
you want to try to burp her? Okay, just hit her back softly. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Here, I have to kind of.
I got it. Thank you.
And I have to chew. Perfect?
Mm-hmm.
This part?
She might not burp, but sometimes she does. Usually after about 3 to 5 minutes of doing this, and then she'll go "Blah!" Like that. Can you burp, Iris? I'll do right here. Like that.
Milk. 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 She wants milk.
Can you put that in the refrigerator for Appa, please?
But she wants milk.
Well, she's Pebble now.
She wants just milk.
I think she wants to burp.
She wants
Put this right here.
milk. Matcha. Annie.
I can put it right there. Oh, she burped! She burped! Good girl. She went blah, like that.
Pink.
Oh, let her. I think she wants to take a nap time now.
Oreo container.
Let's say thank you for watching Big Sister Channel.
My
Say thank you for watching Big Sister Channel. Tell them thank you. Well, thank you Big Sister Channel for watching.
matcha.